にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 28 of JLPT N4 and also about intransitive verbs, and this is part 4. At first, I want you to remember transitive verbs in te form and imasu. For example, the verb to eat, 食べます。朝ごはんを食べています。I'm eating breakfast. In this case, the action is continuing, like present continuous or past continuous tense. Maybe you can watch my grammar video number 67 of JLPT N5, and there I explain about the transitive verbs and imasu. But in the case of 自動詞 intransitive verbs, this is not a continuation of the action, but the continuation of some state. Something happened before, and the result, and this result, this state, it's still continuing. In the case of transitive verb, ドアを開ける、ドアを開けます。It means I open the door. Transitive verb, te form and imasu, ドアを開けています。It means the action of the opening, this is just right now. It means 今ドアを開けています。I'm opening the door just right now. Intransitive verb, ドアが開きます。It means the door opens by itself. Now this intransitive verb in te form 開いて and います。ドアが開いています。The door is open. This expresses the state. The door is open, not closed. And it doesn't matter who opened the door. Just it is open. So this is the difference between intransitive and transitive in te form and います。ドアが開いています。The door is open. ドアを開けています。Someone is opening the door. Oh, the door is open. あれ?ドアが開いています。あれ?ドアが開いています。Look, there's a wallet on the street. In this case, someone dropped the wallet before. And now, this state of being on the street is continuing. So this is why we must use intransitive verb, something が落ちる, something drops. And te form 落ちて and います。お財布が落ちています。お財布が落ちています。あ、お財布が落ちているよ。Oh, the bench is wet. ベンチ、this is a bench. Something or someone gets wet. Something が濡れます。濡れる。The transitive verb to let something wet or to let someone wet. Then something を濡らす。濡らします。One example using the transitive verb. Don't let your clothes wet. 洋服を濡らさないでね。洋服を濡らさないでね。ベンチが濡れています。あ、ベンチが濡れています。Oh, the restaurant is already closed. Just the intransitive verb. レストランが閉まりました。The restaurant is closed. In this case, this is the continuation of this effect. It's closed and still continuing this state. So we use intransitive verb 閉まる in te form and います。レストランはもう閉まっています。あ、残念。もうレストランは閉まっています。Oh, the baby's clothes is dirty. The intransitive verb, something gets dirty. Something が汚れる、汚れます。Second group. And the transitive verb, someone makes something dirty. Something を 汚す、汚します。Group 1。汚す、汚します。汚して、汚した、汚さない。In this case, baby's clothes is dirty. This state, dirty. This state is continuing. 赤ちゃんの洋服が、汚れています。赤ちゃんの洋服が汚れています。Oh, a car is parked in front of my garage. The intransitive verb, something stops. Something が止まる、止まります。Group 1. The transitive verb, someone stops something. Something を止める、止めます。Group 2. But this verb can mean two different things depending on the particles that you use with the place. Place に or place で。some place に止めます。In this case, to park in some place. some place で止めます。to stop in this certain place. In this case, this car is parked, not only stopped, parked. So we use the particle place に garage. We can say it in both ways. Garage. This is very similar to English. Garage. And the other one, 車庫。車庫。ガレージの車庫の前に車が止まっています。ガレージの前に車が止まっています。車庫の前に車が止まっています。Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese. 1番目 This elevator is broken, so you can't use it now. 2番目 Till what time is the library open? 3番目最後です。A little bit difficult. Lots of people are waiting in a line in front of a yummy restaurant. The verb to wait in a long line or to queue up. Something が or someone が並ぶ、並びます。This was the fourth part of the intransitive verb, and intransitive is quite difficult. So I'm gonna continue with the part 5. And after watching all of my intransitive verbs, I think you'll understand much better. If you liked this video, and also if you think I could help you a little bit better to understand these intransitive verbs, please don't forget to give me like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can continue learning Japanese with me. And if you can, please help me sharing my videos with your friends. いかがでしたか？今日は自動詞のパート4でした。日本語の自動詞は時々英語の自動詞とちょっと違うので難しいかもしれませんね。ですから何回かに分けて詳しく説明していきたいと思っています。今回のこのビデオでは自動詞の定型を使ってそれにいますを付け加えて状況、状態を表す表現を勉強しました。このビデオが少しでもお役に立てたら本当に嬉しいです。このビデオが気に入ってくださったらぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。私はこれからも頑張っていこうと思っていますから、ぜひ応援してくださいね。では、また次のビデオでお会いできるのをとっても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てくださいね。じゃあね。またね。